Now here's another fan you'll find in your house. It's not as visible, but it can be more noticeable. It's a bathroom vent fan, and it serves the purpose of pulling moisture out of the room that can cause mold and mildew. The problem is, as they get older, they can get noisy, people stop using them, and that defeats the whole purpose of having them. So here's some things you can do for maintaining them. I like to recommend 4 times a year. Every time the seasons change, pull the cover off and vacuum out any accumulated dust and dirt. It's also a good idea to take a quality silicone spray and lubricate all around the fan. Now, if you still have a noise issue, because a lot of these fans were made by Broen or Newtone, you can get an upgrade or a replacement kit. Simple to install. It's basically unplugging it, taking out one screw, popping the housing out, putting a new fan housing in place, re-plugging it in, and you've basically got a brand new fan, including a new cover plate.